Hello, my name is Sam and welcome to BrainTech. In this video, I will show you how to make digital downloads to sell on Etsy. To start, open your internet browser and head on over to canva.com. On the search bar, search for wall art. In here, scroll down and select a design that you like. Once selected, select Customize this template. Then in here, edit the template as much as you want. Download it this time so that you will be able to post this one on Etsy. Now open another tab and head on over to etsy.com. Once you are now in Etsy, select Stock Your Shop. Then select Add a Photo. In here, upload the ones that we made over at Canva. Just browse it over at your PC. And then in here, scroll down, then go to Listing Details. Fill up all the details this time. Once done, scroll down, then select Create Policy, then select Save and Continue. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.